coming to you live from Dell World. I'm here with Julio Tapia of Red Hat. Julio, how are you?
Great to be here, man. It's good to see you again.
Okay, good to see you. So what are you working on these days?
Well, I'm working on a really hot product over at Red Hat. It's called OpenShift. It's our platform as a service. You may have heard about it.
I have. So tell us about it.
Yeah, so it's a great product. It's a solution that's targeted to the developers and the IT administrators. And it's essentially a tool that really helps drive efficiencies in how they develop applications. So developers are able to develop applications much faster than they do today because everything's already pre-configured, provisioned, and just works so that they can focus on developing applications and not any of the underlying headaches.
And so what technology is this based on? How did you all get into the PaaS game?
Well, so OpenShift has been around for some time. We have three flavors of it, if you will. We have, being Red Hat, we have an open source version of it in our Origin community. And then we have two commercial offerings. One is called OpenShift Online, which is our public PaaS, and the other is OpenShift Enterprise, which is our private PaaS. It all runs on RHEL. It can run on VMs or bare metal, and we have lots of partners who can run it for our customers as well.
So how are you working with Dell?
So we're doing a lot of things with Dell, actually. So today, as a matter of fact, we announced a DevOps starter package where you have OpenShift running on Dell hardware, and also working with service providers who provide the services to be able to deploy things. So that was announced today. We're also working with Dell on the enterprise sales group as well as the services organization. So Sam Greenblatt's team and Jeremy Ford's team.
Great. And so how does Docker play into all this? Is this a key? That seems to be one of the key parts.
Sure. So Docker's a key partner of ours. We've made very public statements at Red Hat that we're committing to that technology for the containers, and so all of our products, not just OpenShift, but a lot of the Red Hat products are being optimized to work with Docker images. So in the next versions of all of our products, you'll be able to use Docker easily.
Cool. And then just to conclude with talking about futures, what do we expect to see in OpenShift over the next year?
Well, we talked a little bit about Docker. The other piece that's really important here is our relationship with Google, with Kubernetes, big orchestration. So essentially, with these two technologies, it's going to be great. It's going to really help our ISV partners to be able to connect much more easily to not just OpenShift, but also all of the other Red Hat products. So today, an ISV partner, if maybe you're a messaging queue partner or an app monitoring partner, and you have to do things differently to certify on RHEL versus JBoss versus OpenShift. In the next version of OpenShift and Red Hat products, you'll be able to certify to one, Docker format and be able to integrate with all of our products.
Awesome. Julio Tapia, thanks so much.
Hey, thank you.